The all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla is a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology, designed for drivers who want reliability without compromising on modern features. The exterior of the Corolla has been completely redesigned with sleek lines, a bold front grille, and sharper LED headlights that give it a premium look. Its deep pearl blue color adds a touch of elegance while reflecting its modern design philosophy. The aerodynamic shape not only enhances the car's appearance, but also improves fuel efficiency, making it practical for daily driving. Asterisk inside. The 2026 Corolla is equipped with a spacious cabin that combines comfort with advanced technology. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent support for long drives. And the materials used give a feeling of luxury without being overwhelming. The dashboard is minimalistic, yet functional, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Drivers can enjoy real-time navigation, music streaming, and hands-free controls, making every journey safer and more enjoyable. Ambient lighting and a well-thought-out interior layout ensure that both the driver and passengers feel comfortable in every condition. Asterisk under the hood. The Corolla 2026 offers a choice of efficient engines that provide a balance of power and fuel economy. Its suspension system is finely tuned to handle city roads and highways smoothly, delivering a comfortable ride with precise handling. Advanced safety features such as lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and multiple airbags make it one of the safest vehicles in its class. Toyota's reputation for reliability ensures that this car is not only stylish and efficient, but also dependable for years to come. Asterisk technology plays a major role in the 2026 Corolla, with a digital instrument cluster that provides important driving information at a glance. Features like wireless charging, USB ports, and climate control enhance convenience for everyone inside the car. The Corolla also comes with smart connectivity options that allow remote control of certain functions via a smartphone app, adding to the sense of modern sophistication. The interior storage space is versatile, making it easy to accommodate daily essentials, groceries, or travel luggage. Asterisk, the Corolla's exterior design is complemented by stylish alloy wheels, a rear spoiler, and sleek side mirrors, giving it a sporty yet elegant stance. Its LED daytime running lights and taillights enhance visibility while adding to the aesthetic appeal. Toyota has focused on making the car visually appealing from every angle, ensuring it stands out in traffic and parking lots alike. The overall design philosophy combines aesthetics, functionality, and brand identity, creating a vehicle that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Asterisk overall. The 2026 Toyota Corolla is a car that combines practicality with modern elegance. It offers advanced safety, cutting-edge technology, fuel efficiency, and a comfortable driving experience. Whether it's for daily commuting, weekend trips, or long-distance travel, this car is designed to make every journey enjoyable. With its sleek design, advanced features, and Toyota's trusted reliability, the Corolla 2026 is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a modern, stylish, and dependable vehicle. This car continues to uphold Toyota's legacy while appealing to a new generation of drivers who value innovation, comfort, and safety.